guys, we're going to continue working on our memory book. You're going to have to pull it up from your drive today. I can't give you another copy because then you'd be starting all over. So from now on, we're going to pull it up from our drive. So easy to do. You can see on the bottom, I have a yellow slide icon. I could click that and get in there, or I can also go to my waffle and go under slides. Again, it's that yellow icon. Click that, and it should be the first one that comes up because you just worked on it yesterday. You'll see mine's coming up. I have some of your other slideshows as well. So I'll click it, and my slideshow will be right there. Now it's loading. It takes a couple minutes to load. And while it's loading, I'm going to remind you that we're working on slides 3 and 4 today. Okay. All righty. So here is slide 3. And slide 3 says, this year my teachers were, and you're going to put a lot of adjectives on this page, all those describing words. And you can think of all of your teachers at Village School, your special teachers, Mrs. Allen, myself, Mrs. Savari, anybody that's a teacher in our school. And the way we do this is where it says adjective, you double click and you'll get that box. I'm going to backspace and I'm going to write the adjective smart. So just go ahead and do that for the rest of them. And then we're going to do slide 4. So slide 4 is one thing I will always remember about this year. So I was thinking about all the things that happened in second grade, and we had, well, the first day of school. Maybe that's something that you remember that really sticks in your mind. Halloween. We had the second grade winter show. We had lots of holiday parties for the holiday and also Valentine's Day. We had lots of cool assemblies. I'm going to write about Halloween, okay, because there's something I remember about Halloween that I will never forget. So I'm going to use a text box here so I can write Halloween right here. And I'm going to change my font. I'm going to use this Oswald. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Now watch what happens when I start typing here. You can't see it. The black is not showing up. So what I'll do is I'll go to where that A is. I can change the text color and make it white. And I'll say Halloween. And it's still, to me, not showing up enough. So I'm going to highlight it, make it even bigger, make it bolder. I'm going to put it in the middle. I think that looks better. Okay, so now I'm going to write a strong paragraph here. So I'll indent 5 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because I'm starting a paragraph, and I kind of think this is going to be a little too big, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And one thing I will always remember about this year's Halloween. I will always remember this Halloween. First, the teachers in second grade dressed up as jellyfish. Miss Del Buono helped us make our costumes using umbrellas. Do you guys remember those costumes? Next, the children had amazing costumes. I loved seeing the students all dressed up and excited. Last, it was a rainy day. We had to have our parade in the hallways. That was the first time that's ever happened. That's why I really remember that I'll always remember that year when we had a parade all through the halls of the school. Um, and now I just need my closing sentence. This, whoops, and I didn't want that there. So I'm going to do undo. Anytime I started typing in the middle of my paragraph, I don't want that. So I can go up to this undo button, the back arrow, and it will get me where I want to be. First, the teachers in second dressed up. Okay. And then it was a fun Halloween in second grade. And there's my wrap up sentence. And now I realize I probably could make this a little bit bigger to fit the box. So I'll just go where it says font size and I hit that little plus button. And look at that, I can fill that box up. Okay, that's it for today. If you need any help on either slide, just let me know and we can hop online together and have fun working on this. Bye.